Hi guys, and welcome to DIY with Nadia. So today I am doing a challenge, and I'm really excited because this is the first time I'm doing a trash to treasure challenge, and this one is called Stash or Trash to Treasure challenge. And before I get into the video and talk about what I'm doing, I do want to mention the ladies who are hosting this, and it is Lori Bly DIY and Mom Does Life Handmade, and you guys have to check these channels out because these ladies are absolutely amazing. Their DIYs are so adorable and cute and just genuine, and just I love watching these ladies, and I have been watching both of these channels for a long time before I started my channel because my channel is fairly new. So do check them out. I will link their channels down below. Also, there will be a playlist of everyone who is participating in this challenge, and that I will make sure is also in the description box. So you just press play on that, and all these videos will come up, of everyone who's participating, and I cannot wait to see everyone's DIY. So today, what I'm doing is a wall hanging. One of my friends, Monica, gave it to me, and she's like, I don't know what to do with it, so she just gave it to me. I'm like, okay. And I looked at it and I was like, oh my goodness, I can definitely spruce this up and make it absolutely stunning and gorgeous. So that is what I did. I think it turned out beautiful. I hope you guys like it as much as I do. Without further ado, let's get into this video and see how I made it. Okay guys, so here I have this piece of, this was gifted to me, kind of like just to do something with it. So I didn't even pay anything for it. It does have this kind of rope to hang this piece on. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by spray painting it white, and I'm going to get rid of these guys. So let me just grab my scissors. And then I'll show you. And I'm going to be spray painting it with this paint right here. And I chose the paint and primer right here. Okay guys, here's the game plan. I have this basket that I spray painted twice already. And then I'm planning on using these flowers. And I'm not sure which type of white flower. I do have grass, and I have two types of white flowers that I want to use. So we will see what this will look like. To decorate my basket, I found this beautiful hello sign in my stash, and then this rectangle, which is actually a set of two rectangles, one on top of the other. They are distressed and beautiful, so what I decided is to paint that bottom rectangle this gorgeous fuchsia pink that kind of matches, or fuchsia purple really, that matches the flowers that I got. And by the way, I did get the flowers from the Dollar Tree, and so I am just painting the outside border. So at the end I am going to be using a stencil brush for my last layer, just to get rid of those streaks that I'm making right now while painting and covering the base of my little bottom rectangle. I'm using this Gorilla Super Glue to glue my hello sign onto my little rectangles, and I chose this because it makes thin little streaks. It doesn't get too much too thick, and it's not gonna show, and because the hello sign is so small, it just was the smartest option. To attach the sign to the basket, I'm using a piece of floral wire, and I'm just really generously going to hot glue it onto my sign and then attach it through the little holes in the basket and just twist it inside the basket. Now I'm grabbing my white floral foam from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to cut them into about 1-inch thick blocks, and I'm going to put one at the bottom and another one on top. The top foam I did cut a little bit more to make things fit a little better. I used about 1.5 of these bushels for this project because the basket is not that big and the flowers are really open and beautiful. I left about 3 to 4 inches of stem left on the florals, and the front florals I did bend about 90-degree angle right at the head of the flower bud. That way the front row of the flowers are looking out and then the back ones can stand and build this beautiful volume and this beautiful bouquet. Then I proceeded to add my white gypsum florals, and I thought it turned out so beautiful because this was just a perfect pop of white to work together with the white basket, and I think it all just kind of worked together and the colors were so contrasting and so beautiful and absolutely ready for spring. Hang this basket, I'm going to be using this gorgeous ribbon that I got on eBay for 99 cents a very long time ago, and I'm just going to keep it short, and this ribbon is really not going to be shown. If I were to make my little hanging ribbon longer, I would probably go with something like white, just so it's a little cleaner and there's not too much of that, fuchsia pink color in my overall project. But because it wasn't going to be seen, I decided to go with a color that would blend in versus show. You guys like this DIY and how it turned out. I think it's so elegant and beautiful, and a little bit of florals for the spring. It's just perfect for this time of year. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. It does help me out. And please check out the ladies that are also participating in this in this challenge. All the links are down below, including the hosts. And with that being said, I do want to say thank you to Lori Bly DIY and Mama Does Life Handmade for hosting this, because this was so much fun, you guys, honestly. And with that being said, love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!